Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iOS 15.1 holding many settings for iPhone and iPad. Today in this video I'm going to share some iOS 15.1 setting you need to turn off right now for better performance, safe Safari browsing, fast gaming, and also save the battery life on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. We start from Safari. To check that, first launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on Safari. Here we have to turn off preload top hit. After that, scroll and turn on prevent cross site tracking. Tap on hide IP address. And we have to select from hackers. Now we will back to settings. Here we have to tap on mail, and under mail here we have to find and tap on privacy protection, and we have to make sure that protect mail activity is turned on. Go back to mail and tap on accounts. Here we have to tap on fetch new data and turn off push. Now we are going to check privacy setting. Go back to settings, tap on privacy. Here we have to tap on tracking and turn off allow app to request to track, and tap ask app to stop tracking. Next, back to privacy, we have to find and tap on analytics. Analytics and improvement, turn off share iPhone analytics. Go back to privacy. Here we have to tap on Apple advertising. Turn off personalized ads. Your Apple ID associated with the country or region where Apple delivered advertising is not available, so that's why it's showing grayed out. Go back to privacy. Here we have to find and tap on record app activity and turn off record app activity. Tap OK. Now again go back to privacy and tap on location services. Scroll, find and tap on system services. Here we have to turn off some services: Apple Pay, Compass, device management, emergency call, and SOS. And also HomeKit, location based alert, location based suggestion. Also turn off network and wireless. Here we have to tap on significant location, touch ID or face ID required, and select off. Now we will go back to settings. Here we have to tap on mobile data and turn off iCloud backup under mobile or cellular data. After that, go back to settings, tap on general and tap background app refresh. Tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. If the background app refresh is grayed out, then you need to be disable low power mode. Go back to settings, tap on accessibility. Here we have to tap on motion and turn off reduce motion. Next, go back to accessibility, find and tap on motion. Here we have to go back to accessibility, find and tap on is back to motion and turn off autoplay message effect. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.